Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? In today's video, I'm going to share with you how do I create and get ad ideas for our clients. And if you are that someone who's running Facebook ads for yourself, for your client's business, today this video is going to really be very valuable for you because I'm going to literally tell you how do we get ideas for different ad angles, for different marketing hooks and marketing headlines for multiple clients that we currently handle. And just to give you a context here, I have personally written over a dozen viral ads, and like it's something that I do on a weekly basis. Like I'm always reviewing ads and I'm always writing ads and generating different ad ideas, performing market research. It's something which is like you can say my weekly usual activity in my business. So this video is going to be very important for you. Make sure you watch it till the end. And there's recently we did one ad that got us 1100 purchases so far. We have one ad which is still running and which has spent 6.6 lakh, 6 लाख से भी ज्यादा एक एड ने स्पेंड किया है. सो एंड ये तो एक एड है, ऐसी बहुत एड्स हैं. सो आज इस वीडियो में मैं आपको वो बताऊंगा प्रोसेस कि इतनी ऐसी एड्स आपके आइडियाज कहाँ से लाते हो जो आपकी एड्स लॉन्ग लास्टिंग रहती हैं, विच मीन्स कि वो लंबा चलती हैं, लंबे समय तक. ठीक है. सो दिस इज गोना बी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट वीडियो. मेक श्योर यू वॉच इट टिल द एंड. So the first thing I want you to understand is that the first place, like there are multiple places that I go to, but I'll tell you the first place I usually prefer. The first place I usually prefer is Amazon reviews. Okay. Now there could be two things or two scenarios. Scenario one is you are selling a digital product. It could be a course, an ebook, a book, or something like that, a digital product, or it could be a physical product, right? Let me tell you about the physical product first. If you're selling a physical product, which means e-commerce, then what you have to do is go to Amazon, use the keywords which is directly related to your product or indirectly related to your product, right? Use those keywords. For example, if I'm selling a weight loss supplement, then I can just search for weight loss and search for similar products. Or I can even go and do, say, any kind of a supplement which falls under the category of weight loss. So I can probably find something like I don't know a weight loss supplement. What is a weight loss supplement? Anything that a weight loss person is going to consume, right? Generally. So I'm going to just search for that. Or even I can just search for a brand, a competitor's brand's over there, or name over there. Okay, so that's one way of doing it. And then what will you do? I will tell you in a second. Let me just first tell you about the digital products. If you're selling digital products, which means courses, coaching programs, workshops, etc., then what you can do is, again, similar concept, same approach. Use the keywords which are directly related or indirectly related, either way. And now what you have to do is you have to search for the books. Okay, so you want to search for books inside Amazon and go, and that's how you will find the things that I'm going to tell you next. Okay, now. So now next thing that you need to do, once you have those reviews and you have been able to find those products with a lot of reviews, you want to now start diving into the reviews. Okay, each and every review. So if you have 2,000 reviews there, spend 2 hours to browse through them. Okay, do that. Now what's going to happen is you are going to find out the before and after style reviews. That's where you want to spend most of your time. So a review that a user has shared, where the user has mentioned that, hey, you know what, I was struggling with this, I was not getting this, I was not able to get past this, but after using this product, here's what happened. So this is like a before and after journey. Sometimes you're going to find some in-depth reviews where people have really taken out time to share the entire story, and those reviews are awesome. But sometimes majority of times you'll find people are not going to drop such in-depth reviews. So you're going to find people just sharing like a couple of statements and lines, and that's fine too, but you'll get some idea. So you want to find out before and after reviews. You have to do that. Whether you are selling a digital product or a physical product, it's the same process, same mechanism. Okay, that's it. Now what are you going to do is you're going to store all of these reviews on a Google document. Okay, right? Now the next step for you is now you're going to go to Claude.ai. So I use Claude AI because it gives fantastic responses. to the prompts and much better than ChatGPT so far. So Claude.ai, I use the paid version. I think it's $25 per month. I use the paid version. You can use the free one. Now, you're going to use all of those reviews, and I'm telling you, don't go with 5 reviews, 10 reviews. Go with hundreds of reviews, okay? So take all of those reviews, before and after only, and go to Claude.ai and give a prompt that sounds something like this. That, hey Claude, below are X number of reviews for a product which is in this category, in this market, same weight loss category. I am selling a product in this category, and what I want you to do is, using these reviews that are shared below, I want you to create I want statements which are in simple English. Give me 10 I want statements basis on the most common challenges or pain points that people have mentioned in these before and after reviews. Okay, I've literally given you my secret. Okay, once you do that and you drop the I want statement, this prompt, Claude.ai is gonna drop you some really cool I want statements. You can have 20, you can ask it to give you 20, 10, 50, 100, as many as you want, right? 10 is just an example. Now you have these statements which are reading like, I want to lose weight because I feel pain in my joint, right? In my knee. I want to lose weight because, so like that. So you give it a template. It could be I want, you can just simply say I want statements to Claude.ai, or you can say statements with this template, which is I want this because, then fill in the blank. So you can try, split test, and you'll see, and you'll find great ideas, add ideas. Now you just have plenty of ad hooks and headlines to test. And now you can insert these in your products and give your product some selling power. So that's how you do it. This is the one and the first, usually most of the times this is the first thing I do when I'm coming up with ad ideas. Okay. So one is done. I'm going to give you another one and then we'll wrap it up. Okay. Second one is I'm going to give you is a place which is called as Reddit or Quora. Okay. You probably already know about it. Nothing new. But what you have to do is you have to go on Reddit or Quora, and you want to browse through not just the titles or the topics of the posts or threads people are dropping there, but you want to browse through the comments that people are leaving. Okay. And again, what you want to find out are the before and after style of reviews, where people are talking about that, hey, this is what I was going through, and here's what I did, and then this is what happened. So this is a journey, okay? And the reason why you want to find out before and after style reviews or comments or posts or threads from people from different places, wherever you go, the reason why you want to do that is because you want to understand that where people are at present, what are the challenges they are going through, then what is the solution they want, what is the end result they desire, and what is the journey that will take them through that pain point to the end result they desire, and a journey that will make them feel understood. And the reason why you want to understand that is because then you will leverage this in your ad copy, in your marketing scripts, in your ad scripts, so that you can make them feel understood, ताकि उनको लगे कि यार आपका product उनके लिए सही है because आप उनको समझते हो, right? This is how you generate ad ideas, and trust me, I'm not kidding. I have written personally, and I'll tell you, fancy production, if you're thinking to do video ads with fancy production, it does not matter. Okay, I'm not saying you should not do fancy production. Definitely you should do, because there's an audience for everything, right? So do fancy production. But advertising is not about how cool you look or how cool your video is or how cool your editing is. Advertising is more about how much can you make someone feel understood. Okay, it's about that. It's about what you say and not just about how you say it. Okay, it's more about that. And this idea that I shared with you just now is going to help you understand the what you need to say, and how you got to say it. Okay, so I've got a friend here, just stopped by. Say hello.
Hello.
All right, guys. So I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye bye.